Hey crafters, I'm back with another cute idea for a Halloween DIY. Most of the items are coming from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to take this wooden box that I did buy from Dollar Tree, spray it with water, take some antiquing wax, and brushing it on. You can use a paintbrush or a sponge, and then wiping it back with a baby wipe. This is to give it a stained look. I did the outside and a little bit on the inside. I then have this witch's hat. I'm not sure where I bought this actually. I had it in my craft stash. And I wanted to stick up, so I put a little hot glue at the bottom of a wooden dowel and stuck the dowel up into the hat. I then cut strips of fabric or ribbon, whatever you have, about the same length, and I have 4 different colors: green, blue, yellow, and purple. I'm going to use these strips to make a quick rag bow. And I'm going to take 1 strip of fabric and alternate the colors and crisscross them until all of my fabric is used. And then I will take a piece of jute and tie it in the center, and it creates a little bow. After fluffing the bow, I did cut it back a little bit. I wanted it a little smaller, and I have a small piece of gem. It's like a bluish greenish color, and I hot glued that to the center of the bow to hide that jute. And then I will hot glue this bow onto the witch's hat. After my box is dried, I stuck some tissue paper as filler, and I got these orange fairy lights. It's battery operated, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put them at the bottom. I want this to light up, but they're pretty bright, so I'm gonna hide it with some moss, and this will help not look so bright, and you'll see the lights peek through the moss, which I think looks cute. Once I get the lights how I like them, I'm going to place my hat in the corner of the box, and I do glue it down. It's off camera, but I did put some hot glue on that to keep it still. And these glass bottles came from Dollar Tree, so I took 2 of those and stuck them in the opposite corner. And then I'm going to fill the rest of the box with just pumpkins that I had on hand from Dollar Tree. There's even this little tiny witch broom that I stuck behind the glass bottles. And I'm just filling this in to give it a cute little look. I did super glue the battery pack to the back of the box, making sure that you can access to change batteries for easy on and off. I think this turned out so cute. Let me know in the comments below if you'd give it a try. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.